My dear students, in this chapter, the chapter number 3, playing with numbers, exercise 3.1 completed. So, the next concept is prime and composite numbers. This prime and composite numbers are related to 3.2 exercise. So, we have to discuss about what is a prime number and what is composite numbers. So, already what is mean by prime number I wrote on the board. The prime number means what? It has only two factors. The prime number means what? It has only two factors. That two factors are 1 and itself. Already you know, one is a common factor of all numbers. So here in prime number, the prime number has only two factors. The two factors are 1 and itself. For example 1, 2 days. Okay, so the factors of 2 are 2, it is in the table 1, and the next table is 2 divides 2, so completed. Okay, 2 has only two factors. The next example 3, it is in the table 1, and the next table is 2. In 2 table there is no 3. The next one is 3. So the next number is example 3, 4. So 4, it is in the table 1, and in 2 table also. In 3 table there is no 4. The next one is 4. The next example for finding the factors, or it is a prime number or composite number. So the next number is 5. 5, it is in the table 1, and it is in the table directly I write 5. So here the 4 examples are here. I wrote on the board 4 examples. In these 4 examples, the first one is 2. 2 has only 2 factors, and 3 has only 2 factors. 4 has 3 factors, and 5 has 2 factors. So here observe example 1, 2 and 4 has only 2 factors, and that 2 factors are 1 and itself. 2 has 1 and itself, 3 has 1 and itself, 5 has 1 and itself. So here the prime factors are, in this example only, the prime factors are, or the prime numbers are 2, 3 and 5. So in this example the prime numbers are 2, 3, 5. Here 4 has more than 2 factors, so it is a composite number. In next concept you have to discuss. Okay, this is one example for finding the prime number. It is a prime number or composite number. Write down. Dear students, the prime numbers in between 1 to 100, you have to just write the prime numbers between 1 to 100 are, so first one is 2, the next one is 3, because 2 and 3 has only 2 factors. The 2 factors are 1 and itself. 1 2s are 2, 2 1s are 2, 1 3s are 3, 3 1s are 3. So the next one is 5, 7, 11, 13. Next one is 17, 19, 23, 29, 31, 31. After 31, 37. The next one is 41, 43. Next one is 47. Next one is 53. The next one is 59, 61, 67, 71, 73, the next one 79, then 83, 89, the last one is 97. So the prime numbers between 1 to 100 are totally 25 prime numbers are there. Okay, just count. Okay, 2. So 2, it is the first smallest prime number. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. So the total numbers, the total prime numbers in between 1 to 100 are 25. Just write down. Points for prime numbers are important points. Okay, the first one, the smallest prime number is, smallest prime number is 2. The next one is smallest even prime number is also 2. The smallest even prime number is also 2. The next one is smallest odd prime number is 3. Smallest odd prime number is 3. So the next one is prime numbers are infinite. So points to be remember. So these are the main concept, and one last one is prime number. Now prime numbers has only 2 factors. Only 2 factors. The 2 factors are 19 itself. So these are the, just have to write down, these are the one simple points for prime number. So you have to remember these points. Okay, write down.